Today we are going to create these compact mirror purses using faux leather and a Cricut Maker. You don't need to have an electronic cutting machine. I also supply PDF files for printing and hand cutting, but it is much easier if you have a machine. As always, I will leave a link in the description box below this video to all the materials I have used in this project. So you will need some faux leather in your favorite texture or pattern, snap pliers and snaps. I am using Kam Pliers and plastic snaps in size 20. Painter's tape to hold down the leather on the mat. Glue that's right for your material. I am using hot glue, but you could also use E6000 or fabric glue. The template and a way to cut out the template, and again I'm using the Cricut Maker. This is optional, but some cardstock to cut out the glue guide, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. Upload the SVG files to Design Space and add them to your canvas. No resizing is needed, just go straight to make it. The first thing is to cut out the glue guide. For materials, I selected medium cardstock, 80 pounds or 216 GSM. This part will help you put the glue where it needs to go. For the leather purse, I use faux leather paper thin. And I add more pressure. Depending on your leather thickness, you may need to cut a few times to cut through. You're supposed to use the purple heavy mat or the pink mat, but I find the green mat works too if sticky. Place pattern side down on the mat. Roll over the leather to stick everything down, and then tape the sides to make sure nothing moves. Load the mat into the Cricut and start cutting. Now we can assemble the purse. I am using the Kam Pliers and plastic snaps in size 20. Snap sets consist of two parts, male and female. The stud being male, socket being female. Both stud and sockets use a cap, that is why there are two cap pieces to every snap set. The order you apply each, whether you apply the stud or the socket first, is up to you. Place the sharp prong of the cap piece through the hole. Position the female socket over the cap. Place the pliers over the snaps, making sure the cap fits well within the black part. Apply pressure to secure together, and if done correctly, it will squash the cap's prong flat. Repeat the process with the cap and the stud male. The caps must be placed on the opposite sides of each other to make sure they snap correctly when in use. And that's it. Here is the completed snap. Now let's glue the purse. Add the glue guide you cut out earlier, making sure that the bottoms all match up. Now mark either side with a pen. Run the glue down each side, being careful not to go over the lines, and then fold the leather over. Now you can line up your snaps and press down to close. I have chosen to make them compact mirror pouches, but you can put something else into them. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.